In this video, we will explore the invisible crackdown on visa overstayers, a topic shrouded in misconceptions and quiet deportations. Today, we unravel why these cases receive little media attention and the disparities in enforcement efforts. Here's what's on the agenda today. We'll discuss why visa overstayers are silently deported, the enforcement disparities, and the pathways available for legalization. Plus, we'll have a quiz to test your understanding. Visa overstaying is a commonly misunderstood issue in immigration enforcement. Contrary to the popular belief that these individuals are overlooked, they actually represent a significant violation of immigration laws and undergo deportation proceedings. However, the lack of media coverage leads to a quiet deportation process that occurs away from the public eye. Now let's delve into the enforcement disparity that exists between visa overstayers and those who cross the border without inspection, often termed EWIs. Visa overstayers, having been previously vetted and approved, pose a different security risk compared to unwitting crossers. This creates a two-tier system in enforcement. Additionally, the law mandates arrest and prolonged detention for some border crossers, while visa overstayers dodge this requirement, making their process less dramatic. Here is a flowchart to visualize the enforcement disparities between visa overstayers and border crossers. Notice how the prior vetting, security risk assessment, and detention requirements differ for each group, shaping their deportation processes. Let's talk about pathways to legalization. Visa overstayers often have easier routes to becoming legal permanent residents than those who entered without inspection. Marrying a U.S. citizen can forgive their overstay violations, allowing them to adjust their status without leaving the U.S. Meanwhile, border crossers usually face a mandatory ban before attempting legal re-entry. This highlights the privilege that sometimes comes with having initial legal entry. It's quiz time. Why are visa overstayers less likely to appear in news headlines? Is it because A, they're not as newsworthy as border crossers? B, media lacks understanding of immigration processes? C, visa overstayers often choose to self-deport? Or D, all of the above? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is all of the above. Visa overstayers are often overshadowed in media due to their lack of perceived newsworthiness, combined with the media's lack of full understanding of complexities in the immigration processes, and their tendency to self-deport. This enigma largely explains their lesser media presence. In summary, visa overstayers have a vetted entry and are often subjected to different enforcement procedures than those who cross the border without inspection. They benefit from legal pathways and family connections, which make it easier for them to gain legal status without leaving the U.S. However, border crossers face significant bans before they might be able to re-enter legally. In summary, visa overstayers are often quietly deported, and enforcement disparities exist compared to border crossers. Legal pathways favor overstayers, with more opportunities for status adjustment. But those who cross the border face significant challenges. These dynamics are critical to understand as we engage in discussions on immigration policy. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.